Okay, so what I've got so far is we have these repulsors and these attractor balls. Oh shit. Get away from me. There we go. I need to add a respawner for this thing real bad. Basically, they repulse and attract. It's pretty light on both of them right now. I'm going to make it adjustable, of course. And you have to get into the green goal, which I'm not going to show because it screws up the disc. But you can create more of these things just by using one of the spawner guns I have. You can also just move them around with your hands. You can also throw them into a position, kind of give them a little bit of English, a little bit. So if you want to get them someplace that you can't quite reach, you can give them a good toss. Probably will have some extended editing capability, like at a distance later. These are the same thing, they just make, the absorption ones. And I can show kind of how a more strong one would be by putting three in the same spot for right now. Where's the disc? There it is. So we just like throw this. You see how it kind of curved through. The disc currently doesn't have any drag. I'm going to add drag to it, so like it'll eventually come to a stop. But yeah, you can see how that deflects, and then when you win, you throw it into the goal, and it just goes into the center, and that's achieved by just literally making it so this thing no longer has it just has like infinite drag now. No rotational drag though, so you can just really get it whipping around. But yeah, that's what's here so far. Also, I forgot if I showed you this thing, but it's kind of cool. Almost got away from me. Let's see what it does in the heavier gravity version. Yeah, even faster. Oh, that's interesting. They can pull each other. They will naturally become one. Oh, I didn't even know that that was a thing. Oh dear. I've got one pulling and a few repulsing. It's really funny. Also, I've got rotation finally. But yeah. Oh yeah. I've also got the deletion gun. I wanted to show this too. So this thing, you can just point at a thing and it deletes it, and it works on literally everything. You can just start deleting individual pieces of the world, and it doesn't. I don't think I've set a distance so like I can hit the background. Yeah, there it goes. But yeah. Goodbye, cruel world. Bye bye. But the balls there are serialized. So if I stop playing and I start playing again, they should all be in the same position that I had left them in. Not the guns. The guns will respawn where they respawn, but all these balls will be in the right position. So, like, if I move this green one over to the top of the tower, say, top of this thing right here. Now I turn it off. Now, it doesn't actually show them in editor yet. I'm writing my own save system because you can't just save to a scene. I don't know why. Like, that's only available in the editor, and I want this available at runtime for users to make their own maps. Um, but if I run this again, we should see the green goal at the top. Yep, there it is. So, fun times. I love the grouping them together thing. It's really funny.